No, you don't have a car.
I have a car?
No.
I have assets?
So I'm gonna play a game with you.
Oh no.
Yeah. It's called two truth, one lie.
Two truths, one lie. Is this because it's like naked cake, naked truth?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
So I'm gonna say 3 things.
Okay.
2 of them are truth
Okay.
and 1 of them is a lie.
Okay.
First is that I made this cake while I was naked.
Okay, I really hope that's the lie.
My second one is I'm not from Canada.
Okay.
The third one is I used to be an accountant.
Okay. Well, I know this one. I know that you used to be an accountant. I know you're not from Canada. So yeah, you made this cake with clothes on, thankfully.
Okay, let's see you then.
Let's see me. Okay, so I am a 7th grade spelling bee champion.
Oh, I can see that.
I once ate a contact lens.
You won?
I once ate a contact lens.
Okay.
And I've been to Spain twice.
You have not been to Spain.
I have not been to Spain.
There you go.
The other 2 are 100% true.
I knew that.
Yeah. How did you know that?
I don't know. Otherwise you will have told me.
Because I'm highly uncultured and I look like I go around eating medical.
No,
like
because then we've been doing the show for so long and you will have told me.
Fair enough, you got that one right. So
Okay.
what's your, let's do another one. Let's see.
I used to be a pastry chef.
Okay.
I've been in Canada for 16 years.
Okay.
My middle name is Alejandro.
Sounds hard.
That's a hard one.
That is a hard one. I'm gonna say your middle name is not Alejandro just because you paused for a little while in between saying the name. I feel like you came up with it on the spot. What was the lie?
That's a lie,
Yeah, I'm a lie detector. Human lie
Yeah,
detector. I got
wow.
it. I was a mathlete. I love Disney World. And
So far, two truth.
I've had 1 car my entire life, just 1. And it's been like, it's like 20 years old, it's still trucking. It's great. I'm gonna die in that car as an old person.
No, you don't have a car.
I have a car?
No.
I have assets?
You don't have a you don't have a car.
I have a car. I have a car. I was not a mathlete.
Oh yeah?
No, I was not a mathlete.
So why you never come with your car?
My car is in the office. I can't believe you think I'm I'm a mathlete that doesn't have a car.
Well, you know, you might be super environmentally friendly and you don't want a car.
I walked here this morning. It took me 6 hours, but that was a separate thing. That was not related to me having a car. Should we do one last round?
Yeah.
It's no lie.
Okay, I have blue eyes.
You can't, I can visually assess. Okay.
Really?
That's fine.
I have blue eyes. I told once to f off to Gordon Ramsay. I'm the host of the Spicy Kitchen.
Well, now you've made it very obvious that you've never told Gordon Ramsay where he can go. That never happened.
You can say f in these shows.
I don't want to have to edit it now that I have to do it twice. I know I don't want to do it a 3rd time. Hey, thank you. All right, I had a really good one. I have a show coming out on CBC Comedy.
Oh.
I have a very mild phobia of squid.
Okay.
And I didn't get my driver's license until I was 18.
Oh, you have phobia to squid. That's definitely. Who has a phobia to squid? Come on.
You think that's a lie or the truth?
It's a lie.
No, it's not a lie.
It's not a lie?
It's not a lie.
You have a phobia to squid?
I don't like squid, no.
Well, one thing is not to like squid.
I don't.
And another thing is phobia. It's like, whoop, whoop.
They make me upset to look at. Like this.
Yeah?
Yeah, squid and octopus I can't. They make me so uncomfortable. Like, ugh.
You know, octopus is one of the most intelligent.
That's why. I don't want them to outsmart me and do anything untoward. I don't trust them. It's not about like, oh, they like, oh.
She's actually scared. Look how she's like,
No,
okay.
I got my driver's license when I was 16.
16?
Yeah.
You said 18?
I said I didn't get my driver's license till I was 18. That was the lie.
Oh, okay. If there is anything you want to talk about, Megan?
Yeah. I have a show coming out on CBC Comedy, the digital platform. It's going to be available worldwide this spring. It's called Millennials Are Killing It. We take stuff that millennials are killing and we try and make it cool again. So we'll have a link for you whenever it's available, hopefully soon.
Are they killing the naked cake?
I'm gonna kill this naked cake with my mouth.
Okay.
That's gonna happen for sure.
Wow. Please comment below anything that you want to know about the cake or any recipe that you are interested in learning. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time, bye.